What's going on, YouTube? So quick update on the i35 engine swap. We are about to pull the engine out from underneath. Now I'm sure some of you guys know this is the best way to take out an engine in an Altima or Maxima. This is my first time doing it on a front wheel drive. I usually swap my own engines on my like the G37 and the M37 and the Q right there. We haven't swapped that one, but yeah, it's a lot easier on a rear wheel drive. But on the front wheel drive, since it's my first time, thanks to my dad, if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have gotten it out today. So right now we have to lift up the car. Oh, actually, what I did with this engine hoist was I put the chain on the engine and I set it down onto these rollers. So once I got them on the rollers, the only thing to do now is to lift up the car, the body of the car, so that it can clear the engine, which is right here. This is how I'm gonna do it. I know this is not the best way, but this is the only way I can think of right now. So yeah, we're gonna take it out right now. You ready, Dad? Yeah. Okay. So let me. Again, guys, this is not the best way. That's real sketchy, those pieces of wood, but it's not going anywhere. I made sure it's not gonna go anywhere. Okay. All right. Now, all we have to do is pull the engine out. Look at what that. Hold on, Dad. Careful. Just like that, guys. Engine is out from underneath the car. Yeah. Well, next thing to do is swap over everything onto the HR engine. And you know, all the knickknacks. Yeah, stay tuned, guys. We're halfway there.